everyone! Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering self-injection. Today, I'm here to guide you through the process of self-injection. Whether you're new to this or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. It might seem a bit intimidating at first, but with a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Confidence is key, and we're here to help you build it. Let's break it down, step by step. Each step is designed to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. First things first, make sure you've got a clean and quiet space to work in. A clutter-free environment helps you stay focused and organized. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This step is crucial to prevent any infections. Spend at least 20 seconds scrubbing all parts of your hands. Now gather all your supplies. Having everything within reach will make the process smoother and more efficient. Your medication, an alcohol swab, a cotton ball or gauze, and of course, your syringe. Double-check to ensure you have everything you need. If you're using a pre-filled syringe, great. If not, you'll need to draw the medication into the syringe. Make sure to follow the instructions provided with your medication. Before you start, double-check the medication label and expiration date. This ensures you're using the correct medication and that it's still effective. You want to be absolutely sure you're injecting the right medication and that it's still effective. This small step can prevent potential complications. Next, it's time to prep the injection site. Proper preparation can make the injection process more comfortable. Choose an area that's clean and free from scars, moles, or infections. This helps ensure the injection is as painless and effective as possible. Common sites include the abdomen, thigh, or upper arm. Each site has its own advantages, so choose the one that works best for you. Wipe the area with an alcohol swab and let it air dry. Don't blow on it. This step disinfects the area and reduces the risk of infection. Okay, now for the main event. Take a deep breath to steady your nerves. You're doing great. Hold the syringe like a pencil and remove the needle cap. This grip gives you better control during the injection. Pinch the skin around the injection site to create a small fold. This helps to ensure the needle goes into the right layer of tissue. Insert the needle at a 90-degree angle for intramuscular injections, or at a 45-degree angle for subcutaneous injections. The angle is important for the medication to be absorbed properly. Steady your hand and push the plunger down slowly and steadily until all the medication is injected. Take your time to ensure it's done correctly. Once you're done, remove the needle quickly and apply a cotton ball or gauze to the injection site. This helps to stop any bleeding. Gently massage the area to help disperse the medication. This can also reduce any discomfort you might feel. Dispose of the syringe and needle safely in a sharps container. Proper disposal is crucial for safety. Never reuse needles or syringes, and always dispose of them properly to keep yourself and others safe. And that's it. You've completed the process. You've successfully given yourself an injection. Remember, practice makes perfect. Each time you do this, you'll become more confident and skilled. If you have any doubts or concerns, don't hesitate to consult your healthcare provider. They are there to help you and ensure you're doing everything correctly. They can offer additional tips and support to ensure you're comfortable with the process. Your health and safety are their top priorities. Thank you for watching and take care. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay safe and healthy.